Hello everyone, this is Jason Whitesitt, and I'm going to be talking to you today about Quality Matters Bullet Point 8.3. The course design facilitates readability and minimizes distractions. Now in the big scheme of things, this bullet point is probably not as important as the others, such as course or learning objectives, assessment and measurement, etc. Nevertheless, readability is going to matter. It's an online class. There is going to be a lot of engagement when you're not around to help facilitate things, and so you want students to be able to not just read what you've presented in your online class, but also to be attracted to it. We all know that Blackboard is stuck in roughly 1997 or so, and it's not necessarily very appealing on its own. And so what I've done is, and this isn't groundbreaking or revolutionary, but it is important I think, is I've begun embedding images into my online classrooms. And this helps a great deal with readability. Rather than being confronted with an enormous block of text that's intimidating students, there's images. As you can see here, under my announcements, for each announcement, I do it a couple times a week, I have an image that accompanies that announcement and is related in some sort of, I think, clever way. And so as I go through the announcement, you can see various ones that are related to that course material. And what this does, it allows students to easily recognize a new post simply because there's a new image there. The images are hopefully eye-catching or at least interesting to the students. And it also helps them remind them of previous posts, and they can go back through if they need to refer to previous posts, and they can easily see what was contained there and find them. I do this under my announcements. I also do it under my discussion board as well, as we can see. The first one I do is introductions. For those of you keeping track, that's Quality Matters bullet point 1.8. But same idea here is that each discussion board has its own image. Students don't get confused. They don't accidentally post on the wrong one. And it's just one extra additional thing that helps engage them a little bit or get them interested in the topic. So with that in mind, it's very easy to do for those of you who wanted to copy this. You can simply, we'll make a new announcement here. So go to create announcements. I'm just going to type test. We'll put in some basic text. And that's fine. That's what a lot of people do. This is the meat of what I need to convey to my students, but I want to attract them to this post. I want to jazz it up a little bit. So let's include an image. And it's easier to do now in the new iteration of Blackboard than even before. You just simply click on the little image button, and you can either put in an image URL, or I like to use images already saved to my computer. So I'll go browse to my computer. And real quick, what I recommend when doing this is simply to use Google Images. We'll type in Quality Matters and go to Images. And there's all sorts of images that you can pluck very easily from your computer and then place right into your Blackboard classroom to make it look a little bit better. Now I can hear Thatcher Borman yelling, yes, but what about copyright? That's a post for another day. Right now, let's just worry about getting it on the internet. So I've already saved one. So let's go back here, go to my little image, go to Browse Computer, and I've saved that Quality Matters image right there. Now that's going to just dump it right into your Blackboard site. You don't necessarily want to do that, so let's go to Appearance. I want it to be positioned. This is about aesthetics and drawing students in and making your Blackboard classroom look better, so I'm going to put it in the top left. And if you look here, dimensions, that's a little big. I don't want it to dominate the text. After all, the text is where the most important information is, so I'm just going to change the size. If you click here, it'll automatically make it proportioned. Then click Insert. Ignore that little thing. And there you are. You have it right here. It's embedded, and you can then post it to your class. There you have it. And this just makes more visually appealing, breaks up the text, and improves readability overall, I'd say. So good luck in posting images into your own classrooms.